In this video, I'll show you how to fix your internet connection problems that you're having with your Haier Smart TV. I have 3 different solutions, so let's get started right away. Turn your TV off and unplug it from the wall socket. Now, depending on the model you have, you may have a power button on the back or one on the front under the TV. If you don't find one, don't worry, just skip this step. But if you found one, keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Then you have to wait a full minute. If your TV didn't have a button, just wait 1 minute. And then you can safely replug your TV into the wall socket. If this didn't work, I have a second solution for you. You need to find your internet router and you need to unplug it from the wall just as you did on the first solution with the TV. Unplug it and leave it for a full minute. Then you just have to plug it back. Now wait a few minutes and try connecting again with your smart TV. If this didn't work, I have a third solution, which is to do a factory reset. This will delete all your apps and all your account information. If you have a Haier Roku TV, you should go first in Settings, then select Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset, and finally select Factory Reset Everything. It will take a few minutes and your TV will be like brand new, the same way you took it out of the box. I hope one of these solutions helped you solve your Wi-Fi problem. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment if you have any new suggestion that I didn't talk about in this video.